How to set up Google Authentication for your Master Edcoin Wallet, the Android version. Open your Google Play Store and search for Google Authenticator. Click on Install to download the app to your mobile. The downloaded Google Authenticator will be available in your mobile phone once the installation is complete. Log into your Master Edcoin Wallet app and go to your profile setting. Turn on Google Authentication Setup by sliding the button to the right. You will be redirected to the Google Authentication Setup screen. Select the Google Authentication code and copy the code as shown. Tap Continue. You may refer to Step 5 to proceed to the next step. Step 4a. Setting up your Mi Wallet account with Google Authenticator. From your mobile, launch the Google Authenticator app and tap on Get Started. Select Enter a setup key. Under Enter Account Details, tap on the Add button. Enter account name and your key by pasting the code copied from your Mi Wallet app. Leave type of key as time-based and tap the Add button. Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code. Please read the instruction provided, then tap Add Account. Enter the code generated from Google Authenticator, for example 622679, then tap Submit. Once the Google Authentication code is submitted, you will be redirected to a successful screen and you will be notified that your Google Authentication is verified. Congratulations! Your Master Edcoin Wallet is better protected. Tap Go Back to complete the setup or to return to your home screen. Master Edcoin Wallet. Let's build forward together.